Since my $400 4-day challenge didn't go that well on Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Sea, I'm gonna spend my last day doing the $20 slot method. So I'm gonna take 5 20s and I'm gonna play each one individually. And if I get a bonus or if I double my money, I'm gonna cash out and pocket the ticket. So let's see if my luck will change, and hopefully I will be able to get some money back. All right, first 20 going in Magic Treasures. Sweet, triggered the money ball bonus with 9 money balls. So that will definitely be my first cash out pretty quickly. I will cash out that ticket and we're gonna start with another 20. Oh, this one did not work. I lost that one pretty quickly. All right, third try on the Magic Treasures, and I hit the jackpot bonus. So actually won very good on this one. So my minimum bet, I was able to hit the Maxi Progressive, which returned me $50. So score.
I'll take it.
That will be another cash out ticket. Sweet.
$50. Cash out.
For the fourth 20, I'm gonna switch over to the Super Flaming Pots and give this one a try. It's a newer game, and I'll be honest, I have not had good luck on it. And unfortunately, that bad luck continues. So for my fifth and final $20, I'm moving over to the Honey Pot game. And this is a newer game that I haven't played a whole lot on. But on minimum bet, which is only 60 cents, I was able to hit the bonus. And I'll be honest, this was one of the longest running bonuses that I've ever had. So, which is a good thing. I will take it. It started out first with free spins. So, didn't make a ton, but at least I did get some money on that. And then through the free spins, I got additional free spins. So the little bee just kept showing up again and again and giving me additional free spins. So that is excellent. I will take it. I am superstitious about speeding up a bonus, so I just kind of let it naturally play out and don't stop the reels or hurry it up. And like I said, I'm just superstitious. But in this case, it definitely worked. I continued to get yet additional spins that just kept it going for me. Not a bad deal at all. And I really thought once the free spins were done, that was it. But this game has even more bonuses to it. So finally got a really nice line hit by pretty much filling up most of the screen with the same symbol. So I would have been thrilled just with this by itself. So, but as we continue to go through it, I got lucky and not only got more free spins, but those final free spins I got were in fact triggering yet another bonus within a bonus. So this is the actual honeycomb bonus. And this was kind of something unique. You get to pick where you want to put your initial starting bombs, or you can just have it random. I had it randomly picked for me. And as long as you continue to land on money and fill out that honeycomb, it resets your spins and you get to continue to spin. And so again, this is just 60-cent bets. So these honeycomb dollar amounts, or I should say cent amounts, are pretty small. But it just kept filling in the honeycomb. And then once you get down to your last spin, the remaining open ones will spin. And if you get a bomb, then that kind of resets it and lets you get 3 more spins. So, and you continue this way until you get no more bombs. So again, down to my last spin and looking for a bomb. Did not get one, but then the bombs will trigger and win a progressive. So even on 60 cents, you could technically win $1,000, which is insane. So, but this was an incredibly long bonus. It was fun to watch, fun to play. I love the graphics. So That was a great way to end my $20 slot method challenge. So this 5th ticket will be cashed out, and we'll have a recap next that kind of shows you how it turned out. All right, so the $20 challenge did work again. So my $100 ended up being $159.97. Here are my tickets that I was able to cash out. So to recap how it went, again, the $20 method is you're supposed to use only 20s. You cash out if you hit a bonus or if you double your money and put a new 20 in. So I started with 5 $20 bills, a $100 budget. I played on 3 different machines. I did the Magic Treasures 3 times, then the Super Flaming Pots, and then the Honeybee. I was able to cash out 3 out of those 5 tickets for that $159. So, made a profit, which is nice given how much I've donated already on this cruise. But the only downside is that on a cruise, if you're trying to build points to earn a free future cruise, the $20 method really doesn't work, because the whole goal of the $20 method is to pocket your winnings. So you're not recycling the winnings. You're not going to build points this way, but it's nice to be able to walk away from the casino actually up money. So give it a try. Let me know how it works for you, and like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.